Chapter 20, applications with percents. Well, first, what about moving the decimal point? We know we need to move the decimal point two places, but we move it to the left or the right. Remember that per refers to division, while of was multiplication. And per cent, you don't write it as two words, but think of it that way, where cent refers to 100. A centipede has 100 feet. There may be just a name, but there are lots of feet. Let's say 100. A centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. A meter was at 100 centimeters. And 5%, 5 per 100, 5 per 100, multiplied by 1 in the form of 0.01 over 0.01. And 5% gives you 0.01, also known as 5/100ths, 5/100ths. Similarly, 0.73 becomes 0.73 over 1, multiplied by 100 over 100, which is 73 over 100. So 0.73 is 73%. Here we moved to the right, and before we moved 2 places to the left. The trick is, when do you know to move to the right or the left? This is the way I debug myself. I make the denominator 1. I make the denominator 100. Okay, something else that is very, very important. Whenever you work with percent, it is helpful to think of amount is percent as a decimal of base. Amount is the equal sign, percent as a decimal of, which means multiplication, base, is and of. Once you succeed in rewriting the percent statement in the form of an is and an of, you get it made. Percent can also be used in ratios. P per 100 is A over B. There is a danger that the two numbers that you're given for A over B, you write them in reciprocal form, in reversed form. Well, if you remember that the of number goes in the denominator of B, then you can keep yourselves straight. Let's illustrate 3 cases. Case 1, what is 20% of 100? What is, I don't know, 20% 0.2 of 100, 500, 500, not 100. And this tells you to multiply, so the answer is 100. Case 2, the same two numbers, 520. 500 is 20% of base. Base is the unknown. Divide both sides by 0.2, you come out with 2,500. Case 3, again 20 and 500. 20 is what? Here's my unknown, write it as P sub D, write it as X, of multiplication 500. Divide both sides by 500, you get 4 over 100 or 4%.